Hey there! Today, I want to tell you about a fascinating concept. Objects consist of small parts that can be put together to make different objects. And to explain this concept, I'm going to use an exciting game, called tangrams. Have you ever heard of tangrams? They are a set of small shapes that can be put together to create bigger pictures. The shapes are usually made of wood, or plastic, and they come in different colors and sizes. Some of the shapes are squares, parallelograms, and triangles, of different sizes. Now, let's see how we can make different objects with these small shapes. For example, we can use the tangram pieces to make a bird, a boat, or even a person. All we need to do is arrange the shapes in a different way to create a new picture. The possibilities are endless. But tangrams are not the only example of how small parts can be used to make different objects. In the real world, we can see this concept everywhere. For instance, a car consists of many small parts, such as wheels, doors, and engines. A computer is made up of many small parts, such as a screen, a keyboard, and a motherboard. The next time you look at an object, try to imagine how it is made up of small parts. And who knows, you might even be inspired to create something new and exciting, using this concept.